INTUS Windows Certified Installer program offers benefits, perks, and hands-on training to window installers. The program gives commercial installation teams the chance to learn about INTUS's product prior to a job for a speedy and smooth install. Cut down on labor and increase your bottom line through this part presentation, part hands-on training. Certified installer benefits include: clients who use INTUS Certified Installers get an extended 10-year warranty on INTUS Windows and doors after 1 year of working with INTUS. Our detailed training will cover the entire installation process, deglazing and adjustment procedures, hardware and installation features, and offer a chance for you and your team to ask questions prior to an installation.
INTUS came to our office, did a full how-to with their windows, and explained how, to any warranty issues that we would have with the windows in the future, how, deglazing procedures, proper adjustment procedures, hardware and different installation features. And it was a big help because we can get everybody in the company in at one time and explain how this all went through. And they're very thorough about going and showing us how this all went together.
Certified installers receive benefits like shipping allowances and extra materials like handles, weep covers, marketing materials, and more.
Being a company from outside of the United States, they do keep a relatively decent stock of handles, hinges, and glazing beads and small bits and bob parts. Customer service was rather quick with it. They have a couple guys in the area that are prompt within 1-2 days, can get you a lot of the small parts that you need that may be missing from shipment.
As a dealer installer, Other Windows works with a multitude of different manufacturers. And one of the most frustrating things can be not hitting a project schedule as it relates to receiving materials on time. Surprisingly, INTUS has executed and hit all of their schedules and all of their delivery dates, and has even flown product over when needed if we have broken glass or a major issue on a product. I'm extremely impressed by their dedication to really meeting a construction schedule.
INTUS Certified Installers receive free services like takeoff and quoting, quote modifications, shop drawings, and service from experienced INTUS technicians.
Installation process was very good. They had detailed shop drawings, outlined the whole process of installation. INTUS provided on-site training and support. We found the installation faster than expected.
One of the major differentiators of INTUS Windows is their focus on customer service. Not only have I been extremely impressed, but my team has been extremely impressed with their customer service, from inside sales to outside field technicians when the need occurs.
A faster installation is made possible by installing without a receptor, receiving on-site tutorials from INTUS technicians, video calling for troubleshooting, a complimentary starter installation kit for every project, and enjoying INTUS's superb customer service.
I actually really like the installation process of INTUS Windows. It's a very quick installation. There's a lot of different options that INTUS provides us with different details and whatnot, whatever the building conditions are, and they all seem to be relatively simple. It's a quick installation. And what I really like about the windows is that once they come off the truck and you actually install them in the hole, they work. The vent windows work fine, the doors seem to work flawlessly. There's not a lot of adjustment needed. And if we've needed any adjustment or any help with that adjusting, INTUS has been pretty good about helping us out with that.
The INTUS product is a great product to install, extremely easy compared to other windows we sell. Overall, we've gotten more production utilizing an INTUS window product than we would typically with competing products.
INTUS customer service on the project management level was very easy and offered a lot of help between us and the client. So it was a very sweet process for us.
The installation process went really smoothly. I believe all the preparation we did up front with the details and how we coordinated all the openings and flashing and trim was all pre-planned well ahead of time and had all half of it prefabricated basically. So that was already installed and the windows kind of slid right in. So it went very smoothly.
Reap the benefits of increased bids through secured specifications and the certified installer status to increase client confidence and your company's credibility.
For us, particularly, it was the cutting edge technology of the window product itself in the construction industry, and also how easy it was for us to bid the project. Looking at your shop drawings, it made it very easy for us to know what was coming and how the process would be doing that application.
Receive cash back from your annual sales. Detailed shop drawings on every project equates to a smoother installation. Our knowledgeable in-house drafting and engineering team creates shops with a 1 to 2 week average turnaround.
Yeah, my team really loves the engineering team over at INTUS Windows. Shop drawings are executed by their inside engineering teams. Shop drawings are timely. They include existing wall conditions or proposed wall conditions, and have really taken the pressure off of our engineering teams to get shop drawings out for the project.
The shop drawing process went pretty smoothly. It was pretty quickly turned around. I think we had a 2 week time frame between some comments and responses, but for the most part it was smooth, and it was educational actually. So we really learned a little bit about what the product has to do to be installed. So that was helpful as well.
Increase your chance of winning jobs with excellent thermal efficiency. U values as low as 0.14, and our lowest performing products at 0.27.
We've had about a dozen water tests between the 3 jobs, and don't really seem to have any issue with it. One time there was one small, but it was a factory issue, but INTUS was there on site during the water test, and we took care of it right then and there, and it was all fine.
But when you install the INTUS window in conjunction with all those other things that we're doing, they kind of get a sense that it's a higher quality product that they're living in, it's experiencing, whether it be commercial or residential. The minute you touch it and open it, there's not many projects that have tilt and turn windows in their building, or the level of sound or air insulation that you could get. And so the product just takes your project to another level, I think, by installing the INTUS product in your project.
Have access to windows with one of the highest STC OITC ratings on the market, up to STC 45 OITC 38. Meet New York City's Department of Health strict E-designated zone requirements with INTUS's sound-abating STC OITC rated windows. INTUS is specified for many name brand projects, which leads to more bid opportunities. We're a Hilton Supplier Network partner, an approved network select vendor for Marriott C-Suite brands, Aloft, Element, Autograph Collection, and Moxie, and constantly adding partnerships to our portfolio. Have access to a team boasting a thermal analyst, passive house and lead AP certified consultants, optimized logistics, claim management, technicians, and more.
The windows, once they're off the truck and installed, you pretty much walk away from them. There's not unless there's some sort of job site issue with somebody damaging something like that. That's pretty common. You're done with the window. There's not a lot of adjustment. There's not a lot of go back. There's not a lot of parts to it. So that's what makes it really a simple installation, and it's a real time saver for us because your punch list is much less to 0. And you can get a lot done with a smaller crew, and the window's going very fast.
The customer service is fantastic. I had my main sales rep, Garrett, working with me the entire time. He checked in probably once a week, giving us process updates and things like that. And then when we needed his other support from his team outside of him, they were always available and always ready to help anytime we needed them.
Have the ability to bid on low to high-rise buildings thanks to INTUS's CW and AW rated windows. Partner with a pioneer in the American passive house movement with some of the most notable, largest award-winning, and first buildings of their kind throughout the country. The largest FIA-certified building in North America, Hillcrest Senior Residences. The first charter school in the U.S. to use triple-pane windows. The FIAS 2017 commercial winner for Seventh-day Adventist Church. the first passive school in Maine, Friends School of Portland, the first large-scale multi-family passive house in Maine, Village Center Apartments, Passive House Verified Windows.
The main project we did was the Arbor House project, and I believe, again, that received Passive House certification, which was the air sealing at 0.02 air changes an hour, and then also Energy Star certification. So there was a handful of other energy requirements in that, but the INTUS window was a major part of the thermal insulation of the envelope, as well as the sound and as well as the air leaking in the building. I believe that the windows help quite a bit meet those requirements. The biggest project and the primary project we worked on to date was the Arbor House project, which was a pretty high-end project in the heart of Fishtown, Philadelphia, which is the fastest growing neighborhood in the country. We built a 9-unit apartment building there that I believe achieved Passive House and Energy Star certifications on.
The two major projects we've completed with INTUS Windows have both been Passive House certified projects. The team over at INTUS worked very closely with the energy consultants on both projects to ensure that the proposed window configuration and sizes met with the energy model, and both projects have been a huge success.
Enjoy promotional and engagement opportunities through our One Window, One Tree program. For every window or door installed, we plant a tree. Join us at our next tree planting event.
One window, one tree!
The INTUS Windows Certified Installer program trains your team prior to an install to set them up for success.
The onboarding and installation certification process with INTUS was very seamless. They sent down installation technicians as well as a mock-up of the window. They brought my director of field services as well as some of our lead mechanics through the installation of the product. And it's been great for our team to really get hands-on with the team over at INTUS, and very successful.
The training will promote installer safety practices, provide clear instructions for proper handling and storage of INTUS Windows products, thus eliminating product damage, improve installers' ability to read shop drawings, window and door schedules, floor plans, and window labeling. Provide you with information to educate your clients about your certification and the benefits of working with an INTUS Windows Certified Installer. Gain client credibility by showcasing your INTUS Certified Installer status and that your team is trained in installing INTUS Windows. By becoming an INTUS Certified Installer and our partner, you'll save time on installations and get more project opportunities, while reaping the benefits of shop drawings, extended warranties, discounts, access to superior products, and, all in all, an increased bottom line.
I'm a huge proponent of INTUS Windows. In any project, we're looking to maximize not only the energy efficiency on a product, but also to get the most performance at the least $1 per square foot. INTUS has really found a product and a solution that really accomplishes both high performance, both from an engineering and structural perspective, as well as an energy perspective at an affordable cost per square foot.
Now, let's get you and your team certified.